All right, I'm gonna do, this is Ports of Call, Turks and Caicos, room 162. I wanna do a room tour, give you some thoughts, my opinion, talk about the bed. So I'm 290 pounds for reference in the full bed. I'll get back to that, but let me show you. Okay, so room 162, Ports of Call, Turks and Caicos. You come through the door, this is what you see, turn to the left, bathroom. I'll go quick, but I'm gonna give you some quick comments. Bathroom. So shower pressure, not the best. This only had 4 streams of water coming, but the customer service is great. They changed the shower head. So it's better, not the best for pressure, right? And just think about the cost, but I'm just giving it so you're not surprised. So can you get through? Great, but it's not amazing. So water pressure, but it works. Water pressure here, not amazing. But I just want you to see, right? If you're used to the super bougie, plenty of room. So I have 3 girls, right? My wife and 2 teens. So bed situation. I just told you that I'm 290 pounds, right? Big guy. This is the full. The full works. So me and my wife sleep on this one. My daughter sleeps there, and my other daughter sleeps in the one over there. But don't worry about the full, right? There's enough room. My wife's probably like 5 foot, but it's not as bad as you think, right? Like, so I just wanted to say that it's room here. So if you're worried about the full, you can do it. Counter space you have up here, right? We're gonna talk about fans and cool. There's a mini fridge, stuff for ice. There's an ice machine, 2nd floor. They give you a container. But let me just talk about the room and coldness. The air conditioner's over there. 10 out of 10, and I am super duper picky about the heat and cold. I mean, it's hot in Turks. 10 out of 10 on the air. However, I do recommend, this is where you'll love me, if you get hot at all, even though it's cold, at least 1 fan to blow that cold air around, and a good one. Because it's hot in Turks. You're like, but you just said the room is 10 out of 10 on the air. It is, but I'm just being ultra picky. Would it be nice to have at least 1 fan to blow that air around the room? I run 2, right? Especially with everybody. Not a bad idea. And this quick one, let me show you. You see this one all over TikTok or Amazon. I'm gonna show you this little fan. This, just things to think about, wouldn't be enough. It's great everywhere else. Could you run a big boy and that one? Yes, you'd be okay. But if I want to be extra safe, so if you just don't care at all, you can run this. But if you get hot at least the littlest bit, at least 1 of these, right? The Tornado, I pack it for Turks. Now on a cruise ship, could you rock 2 of these little ones on a cruise ship? Yeah, I believe you can, but it's so hot in Turks. I recommend either one big one and a little one, 2 big ones, or it's just you and your husband or 2 people. 1 is fine, all right? But it is cold, but I do recommend to blow that air. And then check this out. So we're a walkout by the pool. So if you go through your door, I'm gonna show you real quick. Nobody's shown this. Open this. So the little walkout rooms have a table. Right, so you have a little table, but look, you're like already by the pool. Jacuzzi, and then the pool is right here. That was the front. Bars right there where you walk into, but it's nice. There's coconuts on the trees. Pool's really nice though. A little bit, not like ice cold, but it's nice. See, so you can sit out here, and then you can go back through here. So that's kind of convenient. There's a little lock on the door. It's quiet. You don't really hear. So you shut that. Oh, I'm gonna lock it and shut that. That's kind of the room tour. Like I said, the AC, this kind is amazing. Goes down to 60 degrees.